Sea bass fillets are the perfect mid-week fish for you to prepare after work, after the school run, whatever it may be. They don't require a lot of love and attention because the fish does the singing for itself. I'm going to do a Mediterranean style fish bake with some sweet potato crisps, some artichokes, olives, tomatoes and spinach, and just let all those beautiful flavours come together. So let's begin. So you just want to cut some really nicely thin sweet potato crisps to form the base of this baked dish. So you want to pop these in the oven now for 12 to 15 minutes. Well, it smells absolutely delicious. It took no more than about 20 minutes to put the whole dish together, and I think everyone's going to really enjoy this. So we have, like I said, we've got sea bass fillets on a bed of sweet potato crisps, tomatoes, artichokes, olives, and some baby spinach. I hope you've enjoyed, everyone, and I will see you again soon.